There are a few steps you can take to try and remove a virus. Run a scan with your antivirus software. If you have antivirus software installed on your computer, make sure it is up to date and run a full scan of your system. Boot into safe mode. Booting your computer into safe mode can prevent the virus from running, allowing you to remove it more easily. Use the task manager to end the virus process. Press Ctrl Alt Del to open the task manager, then look for the virus-related process and end it. Delete the virus-related files. Use File Explorer to search for and delete any files related to the virus. Be careful not to delete any important system files. Use the command prompt. You can use the command prompt to remove the virus by using the del command to delete the virus-related files. It's important to note that these steps may not work for all viruses, and you may need to use specialized software or take your computer to a professional to fully remove the virus.